What is up, gang? What is up, squad? I'm talking low because Jabby here. I'm finna do the prank on him. Yes, right now. So, what Jabby? Talk low.
What?
Excuse me.
Jalen, what you doing?
Hold on. Why you had your hoverboard out by the road?
Why are you recording me?
I would say one of them kids probably had that. Omar, turn off that kitchen light for me, please.
Yes,
Don't need lights on at this
Epic
time.
fail game. I couldn't do it. He caught me.
You got a prank, please?
Yeah.
What kind of prank?
I'm not telling you. Why would I tell you?
I'm trying to Timmy said that was my.
Epic fail game. I'm gonna have to get him another day. Still get him.
You got Mars open. Ain't you gonna
Your salad will be delivered right here to this house tomorrow.
You know who I think?
Let me do some.
Her name starts
Phoebe.
Cause you think.
What grade is
Come on, where else is that?
Oh, where's that?
Her name crazy.
it?
I do that crazy. How you gonna tell me? How you gonna tell me who I am?
Trying to go back to the gym.
How you gonna tell me?
I know you better not be talking to that girl with that baby.
We can fight by that one.
Oh, you talking about that girlfriend.
How you gonna date the same person that you did?
You want that? Got you. Got him. He got. Look, I told y'all he was gonna want to fight me if I dated his girlfriend. Y'all, I got him. I got him. He gonna take the. He said, how you gonna date the same person your nephew date? I said, you wanna know how? He said, how? I said, because it's a prank. He was mad. He was mad. Summer, he was mad. Yeah, I got him. He said, what's up? What's up?
Know what you said?
I said, you know who I date? He said, who? I said, their name start with a C. He said, I don't know. Nobody name that start with a C. I said, then he said, what grade they in? I said, 6. I said, none of mine. Her name Charisma. He said, okay, we can fight about that one. All right. I'm going to need y'all to hit a thumbs up and subscribe and turn them notification bells on so y'all know when I doing more pranks and stuff and stuff like that. Yeah. Jabby, I got you.
You got a phone too?
Jibber, I got you.
Yeah.
I got him. Hey, go.
Hey, I don't care if you don't got one right now.
What's your Snapchat? Go follow all my social media. My Snapchat is King CJ 300,000. My Instagram is, I forgot what my Instagram is. I'ma have to start posting that stuff down below. But y'all already know what it is. Y'all go add me on Snapchat. And when y'all add me on Snapchat, I'ma give y'all my Instagram. I will, and go follow me on Twitter. I tweet that. I might not add y'all on Snapchat, but I might. But still, go do that. And go follow Jazz and Tay, because I get this idea from them when they tweeted me back from pranks. So, go follow Jazz and Tay. And till the day or the next day after that, I'm out. Stupid thing that goes.